Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use split screen feature on your DELL Latitude 7410 laptop. In order to enable split screen, you're gonna have to open at least two separate windows on your device. So let me open File Explorer and the web browser. Now, in order to use the split screen feature, you can either drag one application to the side of your computer to put it on this side, and then put the other application on the other side, or you can grab the top bar of the application and drag it to the top of the screen and then select one of the available positions for it. As you can see on this display, we can fit up to 4 different applications at once. So let me, for example, place my File Explorer on the right side like this, and then I'm gonna place the web browser onto the left side. We can resize each application by dragging the sides of it, or dragging this bar between the applications, basically. And that's basically how you can use the split screen feature on your laptop. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.